which crypto has 100x potential this year. The cryptocurrency market has gained by 7% in the past 24 hours, with its total cap rising to $1.124 trillion as the unfolding banking crisis appears to be increasing investor demand for Bitcoin and other tokens. While the market as a whole is up, some coins have performed better than others today, with others promising to post above-average gains as the year progresses. This article examines such coins, looking at cryptocurrencies with the potential to beat the market in 2023 and beyond. Hate Inu. Hate Inu is a new vote-turn polling platform that launched its presale last week and has already raised more than $500,000. Due to launch in the second half of the year, Hate Inu will enable users to participate in a range of polls and surveys, as well as receive token-based rewards for doing so. Hate Inu has mixed the appeal of Twitter-style polling with that of meme tokens, hoping to harness both to launch a successful and popular platform. Judging by how quickly its presale has raised $500,000, it does seem that it could really take off once it does launch. Its presale will have 8 stages in total, with the final stage selling the native token LHINU at a price of 145 cents, which represents a 76% increase over the first stage's price. Yet once the token lists on exchanges, it could witness even bigger price rises, as happened with a number of presales last year. Terra Luna Classic LUNC has risen by 4% today, reaching 13,278 cents in the past 24 hours. Despite today's rise, LUNC is still down by 9% in the past week and by 21% in the last 30 days, with the altcoin also down by 9% since the year began. However, these falls set LUNC up very nicely for big gains in the not-too-distant future, with the Terra Luna Classic community rallying around an accepted proposal to repeg sister stablecoin USC to $1. This repeg plan would likely involve the large-scale burning of LUNC, helping to reduce its supply to the point where it saw massive price gains. As such, once this plan is put into action, LUNC could indeed see gains of 10x or higher by the time 2023 ends. Buy LUNC now -to trade DTWT. DTWT is up by 0.5% in the past 24 hours, with its price of $3,431,861, also marking a massive 185% increase in the last 30 days, at just below 50 DTWTs. Relative Strength Index Purple is in a position where the coin could easily see more gains in the coming days and weeks. Indeed, there's plenty of reason to be optimistic about DTWT, which is the native token of the trading intelligence platform -to Trade. Launched in beta version earlier this year, -to Trade offers traders a comprehensive range of investment tools, from buy-sell signals and on-chain data to social metrics. DTWT is used to pay for monthly subscriptions to the -to Trade platform, giving it a strong use case that will see it rise in price as -to Trade becomes more popular. Dogecoin Doge. At 72,637 cents, Doge has risen by 5% in the past 24 hours, although the meme token is down by 3% in the past week and by 12% in the last 30 days. Doge indicators point to further gains in the coming days, while its fundamentals suggest that it could rally massively later in the year. That is, there remains an expectation that Twitter will introduce Doge-based payments or tipping at some point in the not-too-distant future. Given that Twitter owner Elon Musk remains a big advocate of Doge, there is a real chance that this could happen, even if it's certainly not guaranteed. And if it does, there's little doubt that Doge will explode. Buy Doge now. C+Charge CCHG. C+Charge CCHG is a peer-to-peer payment network for electric vehicle EV charging stations, with its presale having raised more than $2.08 million. Due to launch later in the year, it will use blockchain to democratize access to carbon credits, which will be issued to users in the form of non-fungible tokens. C+Charge will enable drivers to use CCHG to pay to charge their EVs. Meanwhile, the NFT-based offsets they receive as rewards can be sold and traded, incentivizing people to switch to electric cars. C+Charge has also recently begun burning non-sold CCHG tokens from each stage of its presale, meaning its fixed supply of 1 billion is already declining. Ultimately, this could make the coin deflationary, while demand for CCHG to pay for EV charging could result in the coin witnessing substantial gains later in the year. Visit C+Charge now.